Investing in crypto and making money off of it is not as easy as it looks. Luckily, there are a lot of tools that can help you with it, if you know what these tools are and how to use them. In this video, I'm going to show my 8 favorite crypto tools that can really help you doing your research, checking out charts, and being earlier than other people with crypto so you can make the most out of it. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to smack that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you won't miss out on anything. And here is number 1. CoinGecko. You probably already know this one, but this is my go-to place whenever I wake up and I want to look at crypto. So CoinGecko has not only listed almost all the coins there are, you can also track your own portfolio right here, search by categories so you can find out which ecosystem is behaving best. Now, of course, there's also CoinMarketCap, so why would you use this one? It's totally up to you. I like this one most because there are more coins listed on CoinGecko than CoinMarketCap, and I like the looks better. It has a better overview for me. This is how it looks like when you start it. I would recommend you showing the fully diluted valuation as well. So you can see the market cap compared to the fully diluted market cap. That difference is if there are tokens getting vested. If that difference is big, then it could be that a lot of tokens are still hitting the market and it might not be a great time to buy it. If you log in under the section portfolio, you can make as much portfolios as you want so you can track your own crypto right there. There's a section with new coins that just got listed on CoinGecko. Now, not everything that's new is good, so I won't recommend you looking too much at this, but it's a useful tool. You could check out the crypto exchanges as well, so you see exactly what the biggest exchanges are with the highest volume and the last 7 days change, and if they have their reserves data available as well. Categories. I like this a lot. For example, if you want to know how much money is sitting into crypto gaming, you can go to categories and you'll see it right here. You'll see all the crypto games lined up. Number 2, which I really recommend you checking out occasionally, is DeFi Llama. DeFi Llama is a complete DeFi dashboard and it has a lot of information. You can spend a full day right here and not know it all still. What I mostly check out is the section DeFi chains. Here you have all the layer 1s sorted by total value locked. So Ethereum has the most total value locked. So if you click Ethereum, for example, you can see all the projects built on Ethereum, right? So Lido DAO now is the biggest platform on Ethereum with $8 billion total value locked. Then we have MakerDAO, Curve, Convex, etc., etc. You can see the chart right here of how much money is going into Ethereum and is getting out of Ethereum. So it's a very, very, very useful tool. But you can see way more. If you want to know more about stable coins, you can click the overview right there and you can see the biggest stable coins as well. And, you know, basically all the stable coins there are. They also have a section which is pretty useful with airdrops. And this is a list with tokenless protocols that may airdrop. So you can go to such a project, you click it, and you go to the website or their Twitter. And there you can look if they are doing an airdrop, because airdrops can really make you a lot of money in crypto. So that's really free money right there. Even CEX Transparency has so much information. For example, Binance has $67 billion worth of assets, clean assets, 24-hour inflow, 7-day inflow, 1-month inflow, so you can see how the CEXs are behaving. For example, CoinDCX, I never heard of it, but it's basically only going down lately. What's going on right there? It's a very good overview to see how all these exchanges are behaving. The section fees/revenue is also something I think you really need to check out, because how is a project going to survive the bear market if they don't generate any revenue, right? On this page, you can see exactly which coins are generating most fees and most revenue. So which projects are actually earning money right here. So you can see on Ethereum, there are a lot of fees going on and they're making a lot of revenue every single day, right? So you know this project has a lot of runway. So this is very likely to survive the bear market. If you scroll all the way down this list, for example, you'll see that the revenue on Spirit Swap, to call something, is $70 every single day. Yeah, that's getting a little tricky right there, right? I mean, if they don't make money, how is the platform going to sustain? So I would really recommend you checking this out. But don't be too judgmental, because some projects don't need revenue, right? For example, Dogecoin here, it says it has 0. what does it need anything for? Because it doesn't do anything. It's a community-based meme token, right? So not every project needs it, of course. And you even have a very good overview if you go to DeFi and you click top protocols. So if you check out Ethereum, what's the top protocol for liquid staking right there? Lido, right? CDP is MakerDAO. What's the biggest DEX right there? Curve. What's the biggest lending platform? Aave. You can check that out on every single layer 1 there is. So you don't have to go to the list one by one. You have it here all in one row. Now check it out. There is so much more you can see on this website. Therefore, I said you can spend a complete day in here and not know everything still. I mean, you can even see which protocols got hacked and how much money was lost. Next one. I think before you buy anything, you have to check out if that token is listed on this website, tokenunlocks.app. What's so good about this project? A lot of people sometimes buy a token without knowing if more tokens are getting vested, and then they turn out to be wrecked because of something they could have prevented by doing 2 minutes of research on this website. For example, a lot of people these days are buying Illuvium. You can search on this website for Illuvium and you can find out how the token unlocks is looking. So this is the unlock schedule, right? And a lot of people bought Illuvium right here. They could have known that a lot of unlocks were coming, right? And you can see exactly where it's going as well, how much they are unlocking every single day. There is so much information right here. So on the main page of this website, you can find out about the biggest projects and how their unlocks are looking. The bigger this purple line is, so the higher this percentage is, the worse it basically is for you. So for example, Moonbeam is starting to look a lot better with their tokenomics, right? If you click Moonbeam, yes, they have 27% yet to unlock, but the biggest vesting has already happened. However, if you think about buying GMT, aka Steppen, you should look at this website as well, because 84% is still locked and they are releasing $800,000 worth of these tokens every single day. And you could check out right here how the unlock vesting is looking. And if you want to buy it right here, be my guest, but you know that this is going to happen. And you also have to take a look like how long is this going to take, all right? Because this is taking to 2030. So yes, it will take a long time, but in 2023, before the year is over, we will have 2 billion tokens in circulation, where are now like 900 million. So only this year, double the amount is going to hit the market. If the demand is going to stay the same, you can expect the price to fall in half. So it's stupid if you buy it right now before checking that out. Now, a lot of tokens are not listed on this website, so keep that in mind. But a lot of them are, right? So again, the lower this percentage, the better, and the likelier it is you are not getting wrecked because of token vesting. Next one, of course, TradingView. If you do not have TradingView, but you are in crypto, get TradingView. It's free. You can get a paid version to get more indicators, but if you're just starting to use it, there's no need for that. TradingView completely free. Use it. Use the desktop version, the app. I'm using the app right here. You can check out every single chart and it can tell you so much. You have to know how to use it, of course, so let me know if you want me to make a tutorial about TradingView, but I think this is a must-have if you do anything with stocks or crypto or investing or whatsoever. Next website, cryptorank.io. Here you can find a lot of cool information. At first sight, it looks like CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and you know, this is not really that important to me because that's what we can also see right there. But you can see a lot of interesting stuff right here. For example, if you are into crypto launchpads because you want to invest in crypto startups, so before the token hits the market, you can already get these tokens through a private sale or a pre-sale, a seed sale, whatever. You can use this website by looking at IDO/ICO and click Launchpads. Here you can see a lot of information lined up about certain launchpads. For example, what the current ROI is, but also what the all-time high ROI is, how many IDOs they have done, how much money they have raised, how much money it will cost you to get the cheapest tier on this launchpad so you can participate, what the volume is and what the market cap of that token is. If you click the certain launchpad, you can see a lot more information, the tokens that they have released, how many X's they have done. For example, if you invested in DAOmaker and you invested in the GameFi or the Neighbor Alice or the Origin Protocol IDOs, for example, you see that you could have made a 300x, 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 200x. Incredible what you can see right there. You can also see the categories of the projects that they release. So far, they released 34% of DeFi projects. They released 37% of GameFi, 18% of anything else, and blockchain services 9.6%. You can also, which is a pretty cool tool, check all-time high, and here you can check out coins what their all-time high is in one blink of an eye. So you can sort by, you know, market cap, and you see Bitcoin. It's not it depends on the exchange, of course, but it's pretty damn close. All-time high for Bitcoin $68,000, Ethereum $4,800, Tether 121 and you can see it by every single project, and also what the current price is. You can see it right there, what the all-time low price is since they started tracking this, of course, how far it is from their all-time high or how far it is from the all-time low. You can even sort by that, so you see that buffer is, I don't know how many X's percent from their all-time low. It's really cool information. And if you click funds, funding rounds, recent crypto VC investments, pretty cool. If you want to follow VC money, so venture capital, the smart money, the big money, where's that going? Well, Gifto just got $2.5 million. Pools Ventures was the investor. So if they invest so much money in Gifto, for example, what is Gifto? Is it maybe cool to keep an eye on because they already raise money a lot? You can see that Nil Foundation, I don't know what it is, but they raised so much money, $22 million. So here you can check out their socials. You'll end up at Nil Foundation, and you know at least that this project has a lot of money to come by. And of course you want to do your typical research on it, but pretty interesting. If they start with that much money, then the release might be pretty big. So this is kind of a life hack for crypto. Really use this. Next one is Into the Cryptoverse. This is a paid platform. It's made by Benjamin Cohen. You probably know him as a YouTuber. He has like 700,000 subscribers or something like that. Slightly more than I do. He built this dashboard, and this is perfect. You can see so much information right here. You have to know how this works, of course, but we have all kind of different crypto bottom indicators. We have macro, so not only crypto, but also macro. So if you want to know about a potential recession coming up, how the inflation is looking right now, you can see so much right here. You can do build your own indicators right here. You have your complete portfolio tool. This website is perfect. It cost me around $100 every single month, but it's so far worth it. But you have to have the money, of course, to spend that and understand the platform. Next one, coinmarketcal.com. This is a calendar with big upcoming events for certain projects. So you'll see right here, for example, Beldex, I don't know it, but they have something coming up, integrate BChat and wallet. So you'll see right here that it has a lot of votes. So this project apparently has a big community that's very hyped about that launch. Now you have to know that good news is usually always already priced in, right? So don't buy something because you see something very nice right here. It's probably already priced in, but it's a good way to know what certain projects are going to do. You can also click coin ranking right here and sort by the number of upcoming events. You see, for example, EOS has 9 upcoming events. Cosmos has 3 upcoming events. Now, for example, if you click such a project, you can see exactly what kind of events are coming up. The website is a bit slow sometimes. They have a lot of information listed, so you have to be a little patient with it, but it's very useful. You see that it's pretty high trending, significant score, and the hot amount, so how much people are looking at it, is also pretty high. So you know that Cosmos Atom has a lot going. Once it loaded, you can see exactly what they have coming up. So they got the Lambda upgrade, they got their Epsilon release and the Gamma release, and they have a, timeline on when they are going to do it. You can see the source, you can view the proof. Really useful stuff. Next one is a DeFi wallet tracker. This is not my wallet, so don't think I'm this rich, but this is a platform where you can fill in your wallet address or someone else's, and you can see exactly where your funds are sitting. Now, there are multiples of these. I like DBank and I like Zapper.fi, right? But to start with DBank, for example, you can see exactly the assets on the BNB chain, the assets on Polygon, the assets on Ethereum, and the, separate wallet holdings, right? So this guy has 1.3 BNB with a value of $416, right? But also you'll see that this one has a lot of CDFI tokens staked on the CDFI platform. You can see the amount of SNFTs, what the holdings of that is. You can see a lot. You can even see the section NFTs. I don't know if this one has NFTs. You can usually see NFTs right here as well. And a separate.fi, because the one doesn't track everything and the other doesn't track anything. So you want to check it out on multiple platforms. You can see right here as well what's in the wallet. Here it says it has $1,000 in the wallet, and on this platform it says it has $1,100 in the wallet. So there's always a slight difference, but it's a really good overview if you feel like, oh, did I have some money somewhere, maybe on the platform that I forgot? Fill it in right here. There's a good chance that you see it right there. And a bonus one, my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you haven't, because I'm here every single day talking about crypto and how to survive this bear market together. And not only that, but how to prepare in this bear market so we can make it together in the next crypto bull market, because of course that will come. And now, of course, there are a lot more platforms you can check out, but these are the one that I am checking out most. Link your favorite projects or platforms in the comment bar. I'm very curious what you are looking at. Like the video if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Turn on the bell notification, and I'll see you guys very soon.